Question 21 gives us this graph and tells us that it's the graph of the equation ax plus by equals 6. We're then asked to find the value of b. This question is most directly answered using slope-intercept form. If you recall, the slope-intercept form of a line is given by y equals mx plus b. In this equation, m represents the slope of the line, and b represents the y-intercept of the line. Another important point for solving this question is recognizing that if a point is on the line, then the coordinates of that point must make the equation true. In other words, looking at the point 0, -2, for instance, because we know this point is on the line, when we take 0 and put it in for x, and we take -2 and put it in for y, the equation should turn out to be true. Well, the way that the equation is presented to us in the question does not resemble slope-intercept form. Our first goal then is to make it resemble slope-intercept form. We can do that by isolating y. The first thing we might do, for instance, is subtract ax from both sides. This gives us b times y equals -ax plus 6. From here, we can divide everything by b to fully isolate y. What we end up with is y equals -a over bx plus 6 over b. We can see from the graph that the y-intercept of the line is 0, -2. So in point-slope form, we would expect -2 in this position. We can see, however, that what we have here is 6 over b. Well, that means 6 over b must be equal to -2. We can solve for b here. 6 equals -2 times b, or -3 equals b.